Welcome, everybody. We are going to do a little bit of review again today because tomorrow you have a test on multiplying and dividing decimals. But, I didn't look at everybody's study guide in class. I graded what you guys virtual turned in for study guide, and for the most part, it looked really good. Glancing at the ones in class, people missed like a few for the most part. It looks like maybe none. Okay, so looks like overall we did okay on the study guide. How did you guys feel about, give me like a thumbs up or down, how are you feeling overall about multiplying, dividing decimals? I think sometimes, I think you guys know what to do. I think we make errors with like knowing our multiplication and our division facts, but I think you guys understand the concept of like what to do. Okay. All right, how about you guys at home? Everybody feeling okay with multiplying, dividing? Okay. The word problems are a bit hard. I get that. It's sometimes hard to know whether to multiply or divide, which way you're going. Just read it carefully. If it sounds like, I think some people mixed up the one that looks like it was most commonly missed, the word problem on this one, was the very first word problem that said if a car averages 23.2 miles per gallon of gasoline, how far can it go on 15.25? And that is multiply. So in 1 gallon, it can go 23 miles. So if I've got 15 gallons, I'm going to go obviously way further. But a few of you divided, and then you get that your car can only go 1 mile. So you have 15 gallons of gas and you can only go 1 mile. That would be bad. Yeah, you multiply it. Right, yeah, so that was a multiplication problem, and I feel like most of you got it right, but if anybody missed the word problem, it seems like that was the one that they missed. So we've got another review today, but instead of it being a worksheet, it is on Study Island. So everybody, I'm going to do a couple problems again with everybody before we log on to Study Island, so let me present that real quick. The other thing I want to say is a couple of you gave me remainder answers, and now that we know what to do, I don't want it as a remainder. I want to see you guys actually carrying it out past the decimal. So let me do an example of where that would happen. Hang on. Stink, stunk, random. All right, hang on. Okay, so hang on, let me get this projected for you guys. Where did my remote go? When I don't, other people are in my room, I don't know what happens to my stuff. Okay, this should take just a second for me to get it on the board for them. While I'm waiting, I'm going to go ahead and put this problem on here, and it is going to be, I am presenting for them, I am not for you guys. 3.38 divided by 2.2. Oh, that's weird. Why is it really light like that? Maybe it's going to get brighter. It's getting brighter, I think. Okay, let me drag this over for them. Okay. Oops. Okay, so in this example, the first thing I need to do is move my decimal. So on this side, I'm going to hop it 1 time. So on this side, I'm going to hop it 1 time. So I still will have a decimal under my division symbol, okay? There we go. All right, so now I've got 33 8/10 divided by 22. Okay, so now I'm ready to divide. And I can't divide 3 by 22, but I can divide 33 by 22. What am I going to put here? A 1. And so then it would be 22. Subtract that out, and I would get 11 and bring down my 8. So now 118 divided by 22. What do you guys think?
Let's try 5.
You want to try 5?
Yeah.
All right, Sophie's just going to holler out, let's try
What's that?
5. I'm not going to lie, I think Sophie's about as close as we're going to get it. Yes, ma'am. Who said Miss Bab?
Me. You need to bring up your decimal first.
Oh, yeah. Josie reminded me I need to bring this decimal up because now I've got it right there. Okay, so 22 times 5. Let's figure out what this is going to be. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry my 1. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 more. 110. Great job, Sophie. That got us like super close. So I'm going to put my 5 up here. And then I'm going to put 110. Subtract that out and I will get 8. Now, some of you yesterday did this. 1.5 remainder 8. We don't put a remainder if we have a decimal there. In fact, now that we know what to do, we should never say remainder. That was so 4th grade. Okay, because now that we have a decimal here, I can always just add a 0 after, anytime I have a decimal after the decimal. So I'm going to bring this down. And remember, I want you to go 3 spots out, so to thousandths place. So right now we're only in tenths, so we've got a ways to go. So now I've got 80 divided by 22. What are you thinking? Okay, in class they're telling me let's try 3. So 3 times 2? 3 times 2? Okay, and I don't think I could get another one in there. So I'm going to put my 3 up here. And then I'm going to have a 66. It's so fun to write like this. And then this is a 10. And this is a 7. So I've got 4, 1, and I can add 1 more 0 to bring down. So now I've got 140 divided by 22. 5 got me to 110, but I can probably get closer, don't you think?
Yeah. Let's try 6.
I'm going to go ahead and try the 6. Let's see. 6 times 2.
12.
6 times 2, 12, plus 1 more, 132. All right, that didn't get me all the way there, but it did get me really close. I'll put my 6 and put my 132. Now, it looks like this is going to keep going at this point because I'm going to end up with an 8. And I'm going to bring down a 0, and it's going to be 80 again. So at this point, it's going to start repeating. That went with all of that. Okay, so I went to my, once I get to my thousandth spot, I give you permission, with my answer, I give you permission to quit. Okay, so yes, I could keep going and keep going, but once I get to thousandths, I'm giving you permission to quit. So I don't want to see R3 or R2 on any of your answers. I want you to, if you need to, add a decimal and a 0, add some zeros and take it all the way out to thousandths place, and then you are allowed to stop. Okay, guys? So that's that. So in Study Island, if you log into Study Island, I am going to put, Sam, especially for your benefit, I am going to put a link on there because you don't have anything assigned to you actually in Seesaw right now for this. But in Study Island, you guys all have something called, let me double check, Class Manager. It is, where is it? It's called Multiplying and Dividing Decimals Test Review. Multiplying and Dividing Decimals Test Review. Okay, so that's what it's called. Go ahead and work on that and try and get that done in the next little bit. And that's all I have for math today, is just making sure that you get that work done. Yes, ma'am, Josie.
So I don't know if you did, but I don't know if you did this or not, but you said, I don't know if you're busy, but you said that you'd check the different Christmas in the different countries. I don't know if you got time to do that, but mine doesn't have any comments. Did
I
you
did
not?
not check it yet. No, I did not get to that yesterday. I hoped that I would, and I did not. So I apologize. No, I did not put comments on the country one yet. So I will be working on that throughout today to try and get you guys some feedback on that. One other thing that I do want to do real quick before you guys get going while we have a few minutes. Some of you have shared some things on Show and Tell, and I haven't had a chance to show and tell that to you guys yet. So hang on just a second, and I will do that for all of us. All right, so let's see here. Activities. Here we go. Okay, this is the one for stockings and ornaments. We've got Cameroon. Here's Fiona, a Cinder stocking. Cinder's your dog, right, Fiona?
Yeah, and Christmas morning we're gonna put different kinds of bones in it, and then we're gonna throw it down on the ground, and then she's gonna get the treats out.
Awesome. Oh, look, a baby's first Christmas stocking. Says her first stocking, her favorite stocking, and her second stocking. Ooh, a gymnastics.
Ornament.
Oh, they're ornaments. Sorry. Awesome.
Wait, Miss Bab,
I know, I'm ridiculous.
I wasn't
I love it.
supposed to be working on that right then.
Hang on. Whoever's talking, I can't hear you. Let me turn you up.
It's
Okay, go.
I already finished the assignment. I thought I was supposed to be doing it during the call.
Oh, okay. Oh, here's Grace's family stockings. Those are cute, Grace. Okay, then you're good, DJ. Josie we watched yours the other day, Josie. I'm going to come back to Josie. There's Kane's stocking. That's cute. Oh, I like the little, this little hangy stuff here. That's super cute. Anybody else? That's it for that one. Hang on. Well, you guys is in a different place. Hang on. Let me go down to the week before. Josie does a long video. I'm going to save it for last. Here we go. Here's trees. Here's Cam's tree. I also like the little Cam pictures in the background. That makes me smile. And I love the Santas and the little nativity down here under the tree. That's cute. That's really pretty, DJ. Those blue lights really stand out. And there's Fiona's tree. It's really tall, Fiona.
Oh, we have a tall tree. Yeah, we can go even taller with it.
Oh, wow. And Grace's tree, there's already a bunch of big old presents underneath there, too.
There's a bunch of presents. Oh my goodness. I see Grace. You should see.
Josie's going to tell us a story again. I'll save her videos for us. Kane's got a tall, skinny tree. I like that. Ooh, Kaylee's is like really lit up. Really pretty, Kaylee. Is it a white tree? It is, because look, there's snowmen all over it. There's a snowman head. How cute. And Lucas
is like 7 foot tall.
Oh, wow. Lucas, very lit up.
10 feet tall.
10 feet tall.
Mine can go up to 12.
Now, hang on. All right, let me flip over to you guys.
Miss Bab,
Yeah.
you don't have to show the videos. They're very long.
They are kind of long. All right, hang on. Let me find. All right. A stocking ornament. That's cute for Riley. Sophie gave us a picture.
That's my login icon.
And okay, do this, Zeke.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I love it. Love it.
Oh my goodness.
Zeke, that was cute. That's super cute. I want that ornament. I love that. Okay. And then let's go to the trees. Here's
I didn't post anything. I don't know why. I got 3 from the same day.
all right, there's Jason's tree right in the window. My tree's right in the window
Don't
too.
put your tree right in the window. It'll dry it out.
It dries it out.
Yeah, dry it out.
And there's Kaylin's tree. That's so pretty.
Mine's like a black big tree.
And oh, there's Lily's tree and her bunny.
Oh, my bunny. I used to have a million little baby bunnies. My brother killed around their old house.
Maggie's tree, not a, oh wait,
Until
I just
somebody
get
called
past.
Terminator.
Macy posted a picture of her tree.
Finally.
There she is.
She doesn't get on the phone.
Well, we got a tree. There's Riley's tree. And she's got, here's another picture of the little tree in her room and her big whole house tree.
I run Christmas lights around my TV. There's no tree in my house.
Sophie doesn't have a tree yet, but she has a bunny toy. Here, we'll fast forward. Where's the bunny toy? You gonna hold it up?
Skip it.
Color pretty.
There it is.
To
Sophie's bunny.
is we're gonna marry it.
All right.
I like
Miss
mine.
Gab.
There's Zeke's tree. Lots of
Miss Gab, right here.
ribbons. That's a really tall tree too. It's like as tall as your roof.
When you were showing the
All right. And was there anything? Oh, where is Josie's gross? Let me flip it back over.
Mold.
Yeah, Josie still had her grape until yesterday.
I don't even want to know.
I know.
I want to.
My parents made me get rid of it.
That's how it goes.
Oh wait, it's in this. I didn't approve it yet. So it's
Did I throw away mine? I grew a mushroom.
Miss Fab.
and trying to find Josie's mushroom for show and tell. Happy Blue Day. There's Josie and Blue yesterday.
I have a funny story.
You have a funny story? All right, go for it.
So, you know, like Charlie Brown in the cartoons has like a Christmas tree at one of the Christmas cartoons?
Yeah.
Well, I bought one of those because like, you're able to buy them. And the funniest thing happened. Just like how the Charlie Brown had the leaves fall off of it, that same thing happened to my Christmas tree.
Oh no, everything. So it's just like a stick?
Yeah, most of the leaves fell off. It was really funny though.
Oh no.
It's funny though. 'cause
That all the bristles and everything fell off his tree.
Miss Bab.
Yeah, here it is.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Ew. That's cool. Ew.
Yummy. Yummy.
You would want to eat that.
Nobody would eat that. That'd be gross. All right, guys.
A worm.
Yes.
So my Christmas tree, it's fake, but it's been around since like a long time. It's like 25 years old, and it's a fake tree.
Yeah.
It's old.
Same.
My tree's pretty old too.
Miss Beth, we can't put
And it's fake.
lights on our tree. Why? Because my cat eats the wire.
Everything in my house is 25 years old.
They all do.
Awesome. All right, I'm gonna hang this up so you guys can work on Study Island.